Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch your hands up. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Flight delayed, gate overcrowded, tempers flaring. A delayed Spirit Airlines flight in Orlando led to an unforgettable scene. Overbooked and canceled flights are frustrating for anyone, but this incident escalated beyond the typical passenger complaints. By the end, the police were involved, and one man faced serious charges after an altercation with law enforcement. Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. We'll break down this incident at the Orlando airport. We'll analyze the body cam footage, explain the legal charges at play, and walk through the different standards of evidence, exploring how law enforcement and prosecutors assess situations like this. Let's dive in. Here's how the chaos unfolded. Let's take a closer look at the key moments.
I don't know what to do, Julie. They're not telling us anything. They suck here. I am suing.
You continue screaming and I'm not going to help you. So you need to lower your voice.
They said that they're not talking at 180.
Do you have a rep from landside, 351 over to Spirit?
Don't blow your eyes at her. Are you serious?
Did I even touch her? I didn't touch her.
Ma'am,
Calm down. You're on the floor.
Why do we keep doing this?
Don't talk to me. Can we just escort them at this point?
I'm getting the landside over here. I gotta get Go over here.
I told him he's waiting for a letter. He went to go get it. I'm trying to. Hold on.
Listen, what's happening? Let me explain what's going on right now, because this is getting out of control. We're not keep playing this game. Everybody's upset. I understand that. I'm trying to sympathize. Stop. No, I'm talking. I'm done. I'm talking. Right now, Goa's coming here. Remember from Goa, when people start acting up, I'm just saying this because we need to get under control. People keep acting up and threatening people. I'm not saying you're doing that, but it's happening right now. So they're coming over here, and then when that starts happening, one after another, we're going to trespass one at a time out of the airport, okay? So stop. I understand you're upset, okay? But we're not going to do this whole thing. Even you doing this right now like that, like, look at you and look at her and doing that stuff.
I never said nothing.
You just did it just now. I walked over. So, okay, but when I came over here, you're very aggressive and stuff. We're not going to play this game. People are just going to start getting trespassed at the airport in 2 seconds when they start happening. I'm going to have landside come over, and I've already told everybody, I'm like, the next people that keep doing this stuff, they're just going to start trespassing people out of here or moving them out, because they're like pushing on the plexiglass. I know they're upset, but they're like pushing on the plexiglass. This big guy right here is like in this lady's face like this. I'm like, we're not going to sit here and play this game for an hour. If you guys can't control yourselves, one at a time, you'll be trespassed from the airport. That's it.
Right, and unfortunately they need to put their foot down and not.
Well, these people, the only flight that's going out is not tomorrow, it's the next day.
Right.
So they're upset, understandably so, but the only solution that Spirit can give them is the manager saying, we can only rebook you. We can't refund you, can't do whatever, like maybe you could do corporate.
I don't know, this is what I understand. If the flight is canceled, they're supposed to rebook or refund. I can see
I understand the frustration, but there's like 3 managers back there, and they're like, listen, all we're doing is we can rebook your flight. But people are like, I want my money, I want this on top of that, right? And I understand that. No.
No rebooking, no nothing. You sort them out. That's it. Everybody's upset.
This guy right here, he's also okay. I have to
listen,
he doesn't. So
the counters are closed for right now. Okay, the counters are closed now. The counters are closed for now.
Oh, I'm glad they're closed now.
My man. Listen. Why are we on this stuff right now?
You are a whole ass liar.
Listen.
touch me.
Listen. Everybody can't act right now.
Refund and I'll be on my way.
We're closed now for temporarily. We're temporarily closed for now. They're not doing anything at the moment.
And I'll be on my way.
Bro,
don't touch me,
bro. Don't you put your hands up. Don't touch me.
Hey, stop!
Don't.
Give me your hand.
I got a little. He's pushing us.
Fucking choking me out. Motherfucker
that. Fucking choking me out.
44.
Call for help.
Fucking choking me out.
Hey, get this dude off of me, man.
Caught
Get
that
this
big
dude off of
felony,
me.
boy.
Get this dude off of me, man.
Now you got a place to stay tonight.
Be secure.
Oh, fuck.
Ticket counter is where they're on level 3 on the A side.
Go on your side.
I'm not fighting you.
Fuck. Now you got a fucking place to stay.
My kid is right here.
Oh, man.
Stand up. Stand up.
My leg is fucking broken. Good, man. My leg broken.
I'll walk you outside.
My leg is fucking broken.
Stand up, man.
I'ma stand up. My leg broken.
You're not getting broken. Stand
Where's
up.
my fucking leg?
Stand up.
My leg is broken.
Stand up.
Jackass. How the fuck I'ma stand up? My leg is broken. Hey man, my pants is falling down in front of all the street. I'm telling you, my leg is broken. How the fuck are you talking about? I'm walking. What are you talking about?
Limp on one foot.
My leg is broken, dude. My leg is broken. I don't know why. How you trying to push me? My leg is broken. Y'all gotta get a gurney or something over here. My leg is broken. Hey, get my bag. Hey, Lou, get my bag.
We go after you one time. We're all complaining of a broken leg.
I don't want to leave, but I want children. I'm begging you to let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there. They're 15.
Man, y'all got it on record. Thank you, please. 216-370-8342.
Motherfucking leg is
Text it to
broken.
me. I have a disability. She strong-armed me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I'm
take her out.
floating in handcuffs.
Hey, walk her out.
Yes, she did.
Walk her out.
Yes, she did. Y'all had no camera. Thank you. She dragged me to her disability.
Hey, call the motherfucking... Call the hospital. My leg is broken. And what the fuck y'all doing standing there?
Well, he's getting charged at attempted murder too. I'm gonna put that on you.
You choked me.
You made me pass out. You choked me out and made me pass out. You're getting that attempted murder charge too. See, there you go.
You a fag. You attacked me. You got the worst of it. You a bitch.
All right.
That's what happened. Tough guy.
We'll see you in court,
Tough
man.
guy.
We'll see you in court.
Tough guy and everybody around.
I know.
We were on charge for him in the beginning.
Bro, no, it's going more than that.
And then it went further.
Yeah. You can do whatever. You can give me all the looks you want, bro. I ain't that, first of all. I wonder what kind of... So, originally I pushed his hands away.
Well, I was standing there and I saw him. All I said, when people in front of me, I had to push him out of the way because I saw him do that.
Yeah.
And then it was just, you were all over.
Well, he was doing this. He was doing this with the
saw
keyboard,
that.
and he was doing this, and I was like, bro, and I pushed his hand away.
Right.
He's like, don't fucking touch me, and he hit me, and I was like, bro, do not do that.
Right.
I was like, you need to step away right now, and I put my hand like this, and he fucking hit my hand. He pushed me, and then we just went down. Oh yeah, but
She was on top of me. I
was
was
he?
pulling her up. Yeah, it was crazy.
Oh
Because I'm trying to pull him. Got a little crazy.
yeah.
Without tracing my camera.
Whatever. Something like this, and I was like, okay. Then we went down the ground, and just on top of me, like headlock it. It's on camera. It's all right. It's on camera. Well, yeah. Then we were in the ground, dude. He had me like I came down like this, and he was on top of me, and I was like, I was tapping out, bro. I couldn't see shit. Yeah, they were all there. We were on top, and then his wife jumped on him. Yeah. And his wife was on top of him.
Right? So actually I did the opposite. I let him live, actually. Yeah, I let him live.
Perfect.
No, I could have. That's a difference. It's a difference.
Perfect.
It's like you can kill me with a gun, but you don't, right? Right? That's what you're saying. You sound like a clown. Like the rest of them. You sound like a clown.
I know we're on, but this lady said like this guy's trying to grab your gun or something crazy.
Oh, he made me pass out.
Oh, jeez.
He choked me out to where like I couldn't see anything anymore. Oh yeah. This guy claims he broke his leg. The one that's 1015.
Okay.
He was reached behind the ticket counter. Like they were screaming at each other, and I was like, all right, we're closed, everything's closed now. And he was like slamming their keyboard, right? And I was like, I pushed his hand, I was like, bro, you can't do that back here. He's like, don't touch me, he did the hit. And I was like, step back, keep me doing that. He did a hit again, and then we locked up. And I was like, now you're going to jail. And he's a big boy. He leaned in at me, and he put me in a headlock, and went down the ground, and I passed out almost. Like I was like, it was there. I think somebody got his arm back in the last second.
Like Zion, and then the girl
Oh yeah. And then his wife jumped on his back in the middle of it.
Can you flex your toes at all? It's not broken. Yeah, you're good, man, you're good. So we don't want you to overdo it. It's not broken. What happened? You just kind of fell or hit something?
Where are you guys going to?
We're going to UCF.
It's right over here off, yes, it's close.
Okay.
Yeah, not actual campus.
Okay.
Yeah, right here in Lake Nona.
I need somebody to go with them. Yeah. Yeah, I could
Probably ride with?
Probably ride with, yeah. Somebody follow.
Follow you too?
Yeah.
I got a car here.
You ride with and then follow?
Okay. This is the moment where law and frustration collide. Now let's unpack the legal charges and how they apply in this incident. We'll start with the key laws involved in this incident. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Under Florida law, battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony. This includes intentionally touching or striking an officer against their will while they're performing their lawful duties. Even minimal contact, such as a shove or a slap, can result in serious charges. In this case, the physical altercation likely meets the threshold for this charge. Remember, the officer said he was choked out. Disorderly conduct is a second-degree misdemeanor. It applies to situations where someone disrupts the peace or engages in conduct that endangers others. In this incident, loud shouting, refusal to comply with instructions, and inciting tension among other passengers could easily qualify. Trespassing charges arise when someone refuses to leave a location after being asked to do so. In secure areas like airports, failure to comply with police instructions or remaining in restricted zones can quickly lead to an arrest for trespassing. Understanding how evidence is assessed is key to understanding how cases like this are handled. Let's break down the different standards of evidence and how they apply here. Mere suspicion is the lowest standard. It's a hunch or a gut feeling, often used by officers to keep an eye on potential troublemakers. In this case, officers likely observed passengers shouting and monitored the situation for signs of escalation. Reasonable suspicion requires specific facts suggesting criminal activity. When officers saw verbal aggression escalating into physical confrontation, they likely had reasonable suspicion to intervene. Preponderance of the evidence. This is the civil standard. More likely than not, if a passenger later sued the airline for emotional distress, this is the standard that would apply in court. Clear and convincing evidence. This higher standard is used in some civil cases or claims of intentional misconduct. For example, proving airline staff acted recklessly by overbooking might require clear and convincing evidence. beyond a reasonable doubt. This is the standard for criminal convictions. To convict the passenger of battery on a law enforcement officer, prosecutors must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the passenger intentionally made unlawful physical contact. This incident at Orlando Airport highlights how quickly frustration can escalate into a legal battle, from canceled flights to felony charges. Emotions can lead to decisions that have lasting consequences. Ultimately, situations like this are a reminder of the importance of staying calm in stressful moments. The charges here, battery on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, and trespassing, are serious and can result in severe penalties. If you ever find yourself in similar situations, compliance is key. What do you think? Could this incident have been de-escalated? Was law enforcement justified? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Advocacy Alchemy for more breakdowns of the law in action. This is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.